they have the, what do you say that? Timeline. User list. All the users which are available for chatting. So all these features are added in the same classic application, and the same application changes if I log in from my Facebook. I am using the Facebook still from my smartphone, but the UI is completely changed. The code behind is still similar. I am getting all those functionality which my Facebook is providing to me, but now I am accessing a mobile site which is running on a smartphone as an application, smartphone app, not as a website. So these are the basic differences which are being created by my application in the modern life cycle. How we cope up with this life cycle? The velocity is one important part. I need to deliver the product as soon as I think. If I want to add a new feature into my application, it should be there in the hands of customer in the next 5 to 10 days. The life cycle of the application, which was earlier 5 to 6 months, it has been dropped to 50, 20, 30 days. Because if you don't get anything new from that, you will forget that. We all have become restless. We require something new. This is the magic quadrant. It will not be visible from the behind, but it basically talks about the various companies which are there in the market. It talks about the challenges. It talks about the leaders which are there. It talks about the players which are there in that particular quadrant. For example, in this quadrant there is only HP. If I talk about hardwares. If I talk about leaders, I have Microsoft, I have IBM, Atlassian, Calibre.net, Oracle. They are all the companies which are there. It is known as the magic quadrant, where all my application companies are working. Bringing the two speeds together, two speeds of application development. Where are the two speeds? In the first slide, we talked about two enterprises. One was my traditional application, which was my LOB application. The second was my modern applications. The modern application requires the fast time to market. LOB applications require longer time to market. For testing, they require more time. For developing, they require more time. But all the two applications needs to come somewhere at the same pace. If I have my tools which are integrated, if I have a unified application lifecycle management, if I have a balanced velocity and quality, it will increase my time to deliver my application in the market. If there is a gap between those two enterprises, there is a problem. In my process, in my software development process, in my team, that both my teams are not working in tandem with one another. For that we require tools, and that's where the opportunity comes. Device qualification, we require the integrated tools. When I talk about cloud computing, we require the same unified approach to my cloud as well. So this is what this complete session is all about. We will talk about all these features, we will see some demos of that, and we will see the Visual Studio in action. So let's fire up the Visual Studio. Let's take 3 to 4. On a higher side, take 6. If you open your Visual Studio 10, will it take that much same time? And it is a standard Windows 7 machine. It has only 3 GB RAM, same i5 processor, nothing more than that. But behind the scene, it is still running. It is still opening the Visual Studio. We have introduced multi-threading, parallel library, where my applications are currently opening. But I can start working on this. Now let's start. And what is new in this? Everything is black. Earlier it was blue. Man in Black. It is not Man in Black. If you see, we have removed the chrome. Chrome means the color, the non-essential details of your UI. All the details, all the colors which are not required in my application development, I have totally removed those from my UI. There is no color in that. There is no point in highlighting the start page. There is no point in highlighting file, my toolbox, my tools. And what we have done is, we have opened the Visual Studio 10, then there will be 3 to 4 lines of tools at the top, which will be there on each and every project. We have limited that line to a single toolbox. It doesn't mean that those tools are not available. They are available, and you can enable, disable them. Now, if I open a new project, I forget the type of application that I want to create. Now what? I forget this. I write a simple application. Now I can search my project templates which are there. So I can select a application in C#, another box. A web application of MVC can have different customers. Different customers in the term of my application. My application in itself means I can create a empty template. Empty means which will not have any integral parts of a project. It will have only a solution. It will not have any folders. It will not have any files in that. It will be a complete empty project. I can have a basic project. I can have a internet application. I can have a intranet application, which we all know as FTP site, HTTP applications, file system sites in Visual Studio. The name has been little slightly changed because of their application. I can create a mobile application. I can create a web API. This is a new addition. Earlier we had to create a web API separately. Now what is the use of this web API? This will be used by other applications to connect to my application. I create a basic internet application and let's run it. There are 2 engines available. One is my ASPX, which we all are familiar with. The second one is Razor. How many of you heard the Razor?
Saving
what it does? I am creating an application with the razor, and then we will see that what the razor does.
स्क्रीन को काट दो. इस लोडिंग बार की कोडिंग मुझे आती है.
This is my application, and I am just going to run this.
प्रोग्रामिंग किया नहीं, कोडिंग करेंगे.
It will run this application on the localhost.
सर जेन्युइन दिला रहे हो?
विजुअल स्टूडियो
मिल जाए यार, मजा आ जाएगा. ये थोड़ा ऊपर करेगा. हाँ थैंक्स.
क्योंकि हमारे पास तो जो भी वो कॉपी माल है,
पायरेटेड.
This is my default template for a web application. I have not done anything. I just created a new application. I run this application. Now, suppose I want to log into this application.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने अपनी सारी एम्प्लॉइज को विंडोज 8 दे दिए.
हाँ विंडोज 8 रिलीज कहाँ हुआ अभी? टेस्ट मोड पे चल रहा है. टेस्ट मोड पे
विंडोज 8 लेके आए हैं इनके इस कंप्यूटर में. विंडोज 8
लेकिन वो ना टेस्ट मोड पे है यार अभी.
This is a normal way. I need to provide my username, password. What about these? Use another service to log in.
कौन सा साइट है?
अभी टेम्पलेट है ये, प्री मेड.
अच्छा पहले से बना.
Close this application. Come back to my project.